Hey there, lovelies. Welcome back to another super quick and super juicy dive into the world of crypto. Today, we're going to unwrap the mystery behind Stratis. So grab your coffee or tea and let's get started. So first off, Stratis is a blockchain platform that's like the ultimate toolkit for developers, especially if you're already in the Microsoft C hashtag ecosystem. It's got this easy developer-friendly vibe that's built on the super secure Bitcoin protocol. And here's the kicker. They've upgraded it with proof of stake, and today's wild world, that's like hitting the jackpot, secure and eco-friendly. Love that for them. Okay, now let's talk about the star of the show, the STRAX token. This little gem is what fuels everything in the ecosystem of Stratis. Whether you're staking, running masternodes, or paying for services, STRAX has you covered. It's the MVP here. If you're running a masternode, you get to earn some sweet passive rewards while doing the least. And you can also cold stake with STRAX. That's right, cold staking means you can keep your tokens in a cold storage while they still earn rewards for you. Speaking of masternodes, let me tell you, they're the backbone here. Masternodes handle all of the heavy lifting like executing smart contracts and ensuring the Stratis can easily be connected with other platforms. For instance, they play a huge role in securing the Circus sidechain, which is where Stratis really shines in terms of scalability and privacy. Let's switch gears and talk about one of my most favorite things, the Stratis DAO. Stratis is all about community, and their DAO is proof of that. Running on their Circus sidechain, the DAO is designed to fund developers who are building on Stratis. They've set aside a hefty chunk of the Stratis tokens just for this. So if you're a developer looking to bring your blockchain idea to life, Stratis is saying out there, we got you. Oh, and if you're in decentralized apps, you're going to love this. Stratis oracles. Think of oracles like messengers that bring real-life data into the blockchain. Whether it's financial information, sports scores, or weather data, Oracle makes sure that your dApps can interact with the real world. It's still in development, but let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. Stratis is setting the stage for some next-level applications with this. Now here's something that gets me really excited. Inoperability. Stratis isn't just striking its own lane. Nope, they've built a bridge to the Hyperledger fabric, which, in case you didn't know, is a kind of big deal into the enterprise blockchain world. They're also working on connecting with Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum. That means developers can build on the Stratis and still tap into Ethereum's massive ecosystem. And it doesn't stop there. Stratis uses Interlux Technology to seamlessly transfer assets between different blockchains. Let's not forget about the gamers and IoT enthusiasts out there. Stratis is making it super easy for you with software development kits for Unity and IoT devices. Imagine creating a game where your in-game assets are actually yours, secured by the blockchain, or managing your IoT devices on a secure, scalable platform. The Unity SDK even lets you create and integrate NFTs into your games. So if you're ever wanting to own that one-of-a-kind item in your favorite game, well, now you can, and it's all backed by the blockchain. One more thing before we wrap this up, Stratis has activated Syntegrated Witness on Stratis blockchain. This fancy tech allows system contracts, which are basically automated smart contracts validated by the network itself. It's like having a built-in security system that makes sure everything runs smoothly. Oh, and SegWit also makes transactions faster and cheaper. To wrap it all up, Stratis is like a Swiss Army knife for blockchain developers and enterprises. Whether you're into building dApps, gaming, IoTs, or just want to stake for rewards, Stratis has something for you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and of course, ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our quick and easy crypto insights. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.